In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error on Microsoft 365 Copilot website account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're using your Microsoft 365 Copilot and you can't log in or you can't use because of this something went wrong error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Now, first, go to the official Microsoft 365 website and make sure you are trying to log in with your correct account details. If you can't, then you want to try and troubleshoot your browser. To troubleshoot your browser, first go to this ellipsis here. So for this case, I'm on Google Chrome. Then go to settings. From settings, go to privacy and security, and here look for delete browsing data. Choose the length or the time you want to delete the data. For instance, if you want to delete for the last 1 hour, you can do so. If you want to delete for the last 24 hours, 7 days, or even all time, you can just select from here. Once you have selected, make sure that all these options are checked to empty previous history. Then go to delete data, and this will delete all the previous data that might be causing this issue. Then you want to restart your computer or laptop, and once you have restarted, make sure that you are not using any VPN or any recently installed security app. If you have any new app that you recently installed, or if you are using a VPN, turn it off, as this may be the main reason you are experiencing this error. In most cases, now this should work. However, if it doesn't, try and use a different browser. If you are on Google Chrome like me, you can now try and use Firefox or any other browser that you may have on your computer. However, if that fails, then most likely Microsoft has experienced an internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes. Now try and log into your account, and now everything should be fine. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.